Hello everyone, welcome to another video. First, selecting Quick Selection tool with subject selection. Shirt selection like a drag and drop, and then zoom in. Open curves and select the right corner and scroll down. As you see, the shirt is turning black. We'll open curves again and then click to create clipping mask button here. Now to add the shining. Click to open blending option. And we'll add shining to the shirt by moving the slider. Hold the Alt key. Check before and after. Change the layer name. Open it and select the hue saturation and then click on Create a Clipping Mask button. Click to colorize. By clicking this button you can add any color to the shirt. As you can see, the selection has not perfect shirt. To perfect the edges, select the curves mask thumbnails. Then after select the brush tool and change the foreground color. Just like paint using brush tool, perfect edges. Just like I am doing with the brush, you can refine by edges the same. Now I will show you the before and after. As you see, one by one I will show you what is added. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much. And subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Don't press the bell icon and so that upcoming videos can reach you.